Hi there. Today, our topic is about segregation of duties, part 2. We have a dialogue between Kenneth, CEO, and Joseph, CFO. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Hi, Joe. Any time to discuss about your team?
Sure, Kenneth.
Joe, you know we are streamlining the organization. Each department needs to submit a plan to streamline their team. How about for finance? You have a big team in regional head office and in different locations. What's your plan?
I understand your point. I need some more time to plan for this. Ensuring there are sufficient SOD in my team, including all regional head office and other locations.
SOD. What is it?
It stands for segregation of duties and is a key concept of internal controls. Some job duties need to be separated with sufficient checks and balances in the process in order to prevent fraud and errors.
Okay. Tell me more.
With the concept of SOD, business critical duties can be categorized into 4 types of functions: authorization, custody, record keeping, and reconciliation. In a perfect system, no one person should handle more than one type of these functions. As mentioned, it is an ideal situation. With limited resources, we can try to combine some functions, and the most critical principle that we need to maintain is for eyes principle.
What's that means?
It means another pair of eyes to review. Transactions should not just be prepared, reviewed, recorded, and finalized by one single person.
Okay, I understand.
As I have other team members in different locations, they can take part in the SD process as well. Let me think about it and provide you with a proposal for change.
Okay, sure. Looking forward to receiving your proposal. Well,
Joseph is right. Sufficient SOD must be maintained. To have sufficient checks and balances is very important, not just to prevent errors and fraud as well. Here is the recap. With the concept of SOD, business critical duties can be categorized into 4 types of functions: authorization, custody, record keeping, and reconciliation. In a perfect system, no one person should handle more than one type of function. In real world, with limited resources, there might be a possibilities that some functions are combined. At least the basic, for eyes principle, should be applied. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about case study, vending machine at restaurants in Japan. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.